My name is Shravani. Today, this video is about the dashboard that I prepared. The data used in this project is taken from Kaggle. I first cleaned the database, removed the duplicates, handled the missing values, corrected the data types, and created necessary calculated columns. After preparing the data model, I started creating the visuals. The final dashboard is now published and contains three different pages that are an overview dashboard, an advanced insights dashboard, and a 15-day sales forecast. So let's begin with the page one. So let's start from page one, that is the KPI counts of the total sales, total profit, total quantity. These KPIs given a quick snapshot of overall performance. Total sales shows the revenue generated, total profit shows how much was actually earned after expenses, quantity shows the number of the items sold. So when I click on segments, specific segment in the pie chart, then KPIs card automatically update to reflect the sales profit and quantity only for that selected segment. So next pie chart is of the sales by segment. This shows which customer segments contributed the most: business, consumers, corporates, and home offices. So when I click the consumer, all other visuals instantly update to display only customer segment performance. So next pie chart is sales by payment mode. So in this visual shows how customers prefer to pay, that is a cash, credit card, or COD, etc. So when I select the credit card, the sales trend charts and the category performance visuals filter to show only the order made using the credit card. So, like next is a line chart, monthly profits by YoY. This visual shows how profit changed month-wise across the different year. It highlights seasonally and helps in comparing the performance trends. So, when I click a specific month, like March, so, the other visuals such as sales by category or subcategory adjust to show how March performance only. Next is a line chart of the monthly sales YoY. YoY. These visuals compares monthly sales across the years such as 2019, 2020, 2021. So next chart is of the line chart, monthly profit YoY. These visuals shows how profit changed month-wise across the different years. It highlights seasonally and helps in comparing the performance trends. So when I click a specific month, like a March, the other visuals such as the sales by category or subcategory adjust to show the March performance only. So next is a line chart, monthly sale of by YoY. This visual compares the monthly sales across the years such as the 2019, 2020, 2021. It helps identify the strong and weak months. So when I click the 2020 line, the pie chart and the bar chart update how to show only the 2020 data. Next bar chart is the sales by category, shows the distribution of the sales among the three main categories, that is furniture, technology, and office supplies. So when I select the technology, then the profit card subcategory chart and the city-wise visuals update to show the only technology related data. So next bar chart is the sales by subcategory. These gives a deeper breakdown of what a specific product group performed best, like the phones, chairs, binders. So when I click the phones, then all the visuals including all the trend charts filter and show the performance only for the phones. So next bar chart is of the sales by shift mode, which displays shipping method, customer preference, same on the same day, second class, standard class, etc. So when selecting the standard class, it filters the entire page to show the order delivered in standard class mode. So let's start page 2. So in this we are going to see the stacked bar chart. So in the of the count quantity by customer ID. So this chart helps to identify the top customers based on the quantity purchased. Each bar represent a customer ID and the color shows the categories. So when I click a customer when I click the customer ID, the whole dashboard update to show only the specific customer's purchasing pattern. So next part pie chart is of the sum of the quantity by category. This pie chart shows which category accounts for the largest quantity of the items sold. So when I click the office supplies, all the visuals on this page adjust to show the quantity distribution related only to the office supplies. So next is the stacked horizontal bar chart of the count city and the region. So this shows that next is a stacked horizontal bar chart count of city by region. This shows how many orders came from cities within each region. It reveals the regional demand patterns. When I click on the east region bar, in this, when I click on the East region bar, the rest of the visuals update to show the data only for that East region only. Next is a scattered chart, product name versus sales and profit. This visual plots each product based upon the sales and profit. It helps to identify the high profit, high sales product, low profit, high sales, low sales products. When I select a dot representing a profit other chart update to show its category region and return data. Next is a KPI card of the sum of the average deliveries. This shows the average delivery time taken across the all orders. When I select the shipping mode in page 1, then this KPI also update showing the delivery average of that mode. Next is a KPI card of the count of the returns. This KPI displays the total number of returns orders. It helps to assess the product performance and the customer satisfaction. So when I clicking my product name in the scattered plot, this switch was updated to show the return related only to that products. So next is the line chart product by category YoY. This chart shows the profit trend across the year for each category. It helps to identify which category is most profitable and long term. So when I click on a particular category like the furnitures or other supplies, then the chart highlights in its lines and filters other visuals accordingly. So now let's start our page 3, that is a 15-day sales forecast. First is a line chart. So let's start page 3, 15-day sales forecast. First is the line chart, sales trend by order date. This chart shows the historic sales pattern that Power BI uses for forecasting. It highlights the seasonality, peaks, and dips. When I drag the date slicer to reduce the range, the forecast automatically recalculate the based upon the selected period. Next is a forecast line chart, 15 days sales forecast. This visual uses time series forecasting to predict the next 15 days of the sales. It shows the expanded line and the confidence levels. So when I filter by category, example the technology or any other thing, the forecast instantly update to predict only the technology sales. Next is a bar chart, sales by state. This chart shows which state contribute the most to sales. It helps to identify the top performance geographic areas. So when I click the top state like the California, the sales trend and the forecast graphs update to show the data only for that sales only. Same as with New York, Texas, Ohio, and all North Carolina and others also. So friends, this brings us to end of my Power BI dashboard presentation. Through this project, I wanted to demonstrate not only my technical skills in the data cleaning, data modeling and visualization, does so by ability to extract the meaningful insights that can support the business and decision making. In the first page, we saw an overall performance, the summary, including the total. In the first page, we saw an overall performance summary, including the total sales, profits, and quantity, along with a clear breakdown by segment, category, and shipping models. These the visuals provides an instant understanding of which areas of the business are performing well and which requires the attention. The year and on year trend line further helps in identifying the seasonal patterns and comparing the performance across the different years. So, on the second page, we explored the more advanced insights. We analyzed the customer behavior, category, contributions, city performance, city level, and the relationship between the profit and sales for each product. These visuals helps to identify the high value customers, top performing regions, and products that may need strategic improvement or promotions. KPIs such as KPIs such as average delivery time and return highlights the operational performance and areas where the logistics or performance and areas where logistic or product quality may need enhanced. Finally, Finally, the third page focused on the forecasting the future sales using the Power BI built-in time series forecasting the model, the dashboard that predicts the sales for the next 15 days. This is extremely useful for planning the inventory, managing the supply chain operations, preparing the market campaigns, and optimizing the resource allocation. When combined with the state level and category level filtering, this page becomes a powerful decision support tool. Throughout the dashboard, every visual is interactive, which means users can click on any chart, segment, or filter to instantly explore the data from different angles. This dynamic ability transforms static reports into actionable insights, allowing the business leaders to make the data driven decision with confidence. So, overall, this project reflects the complete journey of data from raw database to a refined, insightful, interactive business intelligence tools. It showcases how Power BI can convert thousands of rows of data into a clear, meaningful, and visually rich reports that help organization to understand their performance and plan for future. So at last I want to say you thank you for all for listening. I hope this presentation gave you a clear understanding of the dashboard I built and the analytical value it provides. Thank you. Thank you so much.